Okay, hiya guys. This is just a super quick video. I hope you're having a good weekend as well. It's currently the weekend. The market's not moving at all. I just wanted to say a quick video. Basically, I'm going to show you exactly how I find my strategies. Where to look for them, and basically the idea behind the YouTube channel. So the main reason I make these videos is I'll go through indicators, I'll find something that's good for you, and then I'll upload the video. So essentially, I'm just trying to save you time going through all this stuff. I'm on TradingView 24/7 anyway, so if anything good comes across my way, I like the strategy, say I find it works quite well, I'll then make a video on it, so then I can basically filter out all the nonsense and just make it into a simple video so you can understand. But lately I've been extremely busy. I've had a lot of things going on to do with trading, but I just haven't bothered mentioning them. So basically, I'm going to show you exactly how I find my strategies so it can save you time as well. And you can obviously find the stuff you like, and you can actually get in contact with the author who made the strategy, and you can ask them yourselves if you have any questions or anything like that with regards to trading. The second thing I wanted to say is that I'll be, a lot of people have asked me for signals, for binary option signals, and I think I've just decided that I'm going to do it. I'm going to send people, 3 to 5 end of day trades is what I take. So essentially, the good thing about end of day trades is that, for instance, we take them at 1:30 because that's when the US market opens. And essentially, we want to catch the reversal and the momentum. So in the morning, say, the London session, the market will choose a direction, it'll move in that direction. And when it comes to New York session, the market tends to reverse and go back the opposite way. But you have to correlate, the value of the commodities and the value of the dollar. And we just trade the dollar pairs, and essentially, you just have to predict the direction at 1:30. Say it's going to go whatever way, up or down. So I'll do this all for you, and I'll put it into a simple text like the one over here. I've just put it on notes, just for example. So Euro USD, end of day put, pound against the dollar, end of day put. Dollar against the Swiss franc, it's a call, and US oil is a call for end of day. Now, the good thing about this is when you're following these signals, if you're not, if you think the trade's not going to come back in, or I don't think the trade's going to come back in, I'll tell you to close the positions, and you can essentially close a position and take your profit. So obviously you might not, you might take a small loss, but you can still cut out what you would have originally lost, so the fixed amount. So say for instance you invest 100, the market's not moving in your direction, you can close a position early and say take £50 instead, or $50. Whereas other brokers are literally just going to say, you had your chance, it's our 100 now. So it's really simple. I'm just going to send 3 to 5 signals a day, depending on market conditions, and that's Monday to Friday. And if there's too many datas, like too much data being released within a day, I'll just call it a day and say I don't think it's good to trade. So it's super easy to follow. If you're interested in the signals, just go down to the description below on this YouTube video, or my number's going to be on the video now. So simply just text a number, WhatsApp the number saying you want some signals. I'll tell you exactly what to do. And due to there being so many people messaging me, I'm going to say it's the first 100 people will be free to join the group. But anyway, that's covered. I just want to mention that. Now going back to the strategies and what I do. Basically, there's 2 ways you can go about this. So you can go to indicators, which is just up here. Okay, and for instance, just as an example, say you like trading off pivot points, or you like trading reversal candles or breakouts. All you have to do is just type in. There you go. So there's some examples, some strategies here. So breakouts. Say we want to trade reversals, pivot reversal. So there's so many strategies here. You just click on it, and then it should get added to your chart just like this. Okay. Now, obviously, some might not be so good. Some only work with specific assets and currencies. So I know for a fact these pairs here are the only pairs I can really trade. I can't trade, the other pairs that well on shorter time frames. It's just the way it is. Some people have a specific strategy for one currency and they stick to one currency. My favorite currency is Euro USD, but obviously some other people, they like dollar against the yen. So it just varies from people, and some people just consistently trade commodities and focus on, for example, gold and silver, and they absolutely kill it. They make so much money. So just find a currency you're good at trading, and just basically smash it. You don't want to be having your finger in too many pies. You don't want to be trading loads of currencies because it's not going to work for you. You just need to focus on one pair, stick to the pair, and just have a good money management plan and just follow it, and you'll make a lot of money. Now, going to specifically binary options, we want to click. So I'm just going to go back. There we go. So say, for instance, you've got your trading chart opened here. What we do, we click on this icon just down here, go to ideas, go to scripts, okay? And this will essentially bring up every, coded strategy that anyone on TradingViews ever made. So I'm just going to skip through, Heikin Ashi, long-term oscillators, CCT, VDub, we all know him, CM, so that's Chris Moody. And you can see some strategies will be specifically tailored to a certain asset. So you'll see, when you read the description on some assets, it will say this is only, this only works with this asset or this commodity or, anything. Could only work with a specific stock because it's designed for that. The Matrix series, which is really good. I like trading that one. It's just like an RSI, but it just triggers the reversal and notifies you when to enter. So it's quite nice. So what we do, so keywords is up here. What we want to do, we want to search for an example, binary. Okay, so this is something any of you could do. The only reason I make the YouTube videos is just because I know when I started out like a year and a half ago, when was it? October of last year. Last year, so the year before last, so it's October 2015. Yeah, that's how long I've been looking at charts and trading and stuff. So it's quite cool thinking about it. But this is what I did when there wasn't much information online, or the information online wasn't very useful, and that's what I continue to do today. I go through here, anything I find that is useful to me and I think it'll be useful to you guys, I upload it. But obviously, as I mentioned, I've been quite busy, so I just wanted to show you how I get my information and what you can do, and how it can benefit you as well. So, for example, I've typed binary in. Now it comes up with binary option sniper. I've done a video on this one. Done a video on the chicken, mighty chicken. This one's good. It uses support and resistance zones. The 5 to 15 minute binary strategy. So there's so much information here, as you can see, and it goes along. Say, for instance, we'll click page 5. Okay, so there's so much information on here, and all you have to do is super simple. So, say, for instance, you don't know how to use a strategy, you click on it, and then we wait for it to load. And what we do, so buy sell zones, he explains that once these pink dots have formed, these are the zones you're looking to buy and sell in. And as you can see, these zones act pretty nice, for buying and selling. There you go. So I'd say, so we can see it says 3 here. He's on a 3-minute chart, and we'd expect to be doing, say, 10 to 15 minute trades. Okay. And as you can see, the indicator down here also gives us the indication. So for instance, if this was me, I'd really like this strategy. I'd make a video on it, simplify all the information into a short amount so you guys don't have to read all of this. And then basically so it's really easy to follow. That's the aim of it. But I'm just giving you an example what to do. So for both scripts, go to make it mine, blah, blah, blah. He explains what to do, what they're called. Okay, and he explains that money management strategy, he took taking it, he took $10 to 50,000 in 15 trades, break consecutive trades down, blah, 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 blah. So we're not actually covering the strategy, I'm just showing you where to go. And there you go, he's even given us a Google Drive document explaining the compound method, okay, the code. And what we do, we click add to favorite scripts, just like this, okay. We remember what one it's called, so VDub indicator 1 and 2. Once we've added it in, I'll show you exactly what to do after that. And also, what I'd like to mention is if you scroll through the comments, there's so much useful information from other people who have tested the strategy, and they explain what they find good about it, what they found bad, if it's useful. You know, excellent, thank you very much. And there's a lot of information within here, so if you're struggling to find information, and I might be busy, so I might not be able to reply to the text, or I've simply just been flooded with messages, so it takes me a while to go through all of them. You can just come here and check out the strategy and see, what the actual person who made the strategy is telling us to do. So anyway, we've added that in. I'm going to go to Euro GBP, just an example. We're going to go to indicators, favorites, because we favorited it. And we should have it here somewhere. My scripts, there we go. And now we just have to find which one. I've saved so many. There we go. So it's up here, Binary Pro 123. So this is strategy here. Those zones that we saw, he's obviously just drawn them on himself, just like this, just to highlight the areas of support and resistance. So we have some support down here, and also resistance. So we've got some highs and some lows. But yeah, so I just want to explain it, just so you guys know. It's Sunday at the moment. I'm currently getting ready to trade. I'm just waiting till the market opens tonight. I'm just getting everything ready, working out obviously the profit and losses for tonight. But yeah, if you're looking for binary option signals and basically just don't have the time, look in the description. The number's going to be there. Just WhatsApp the number, or visit the website, my website, which I'll put in the description, and it'll just give you a bit more information as to exactly what I can try and help you do and achieve your goals. But anyway, I'm going to end the video because it's dragging on too long. I just want to make a quick video to show you, how I find my strategies. I hope it's helped you guys as well. Thanks very much.